Let's look at this. It says, what is the sum of the first 12 terms of the AP? This. The sum of the first 12 terms. That is to say, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay? So, the first 12 term, this is n. This is the first term. And the common difference is this minus this. You agree with me? It's going to be 3. So if we substitute here, this is 12. 12 over 2. 2 multiplied by a, which is what? 2 plus n is what? 12. Minus 1. The common difference is 3. Okay? You agree with me? This is 6. 4 plus 11 multiplied by 3, which is actually 6. 4 plus 33. You agree with me? This is 6. This plus this is what? 37. 6 multiplied by 37. You agree with me that this is 2, 2, 2. Okay? 2, 2, 2. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.